NZXT has announced the launch of two new computer enclosures, the H5 Flow RGB and the H7 Flow RGB. Both models feature a sleek, modern design and customizable RGB lighting, as well as a range of advanced features to enhance cooling and performance. The H5 Flow RGB is a mid-tower enclosure that can accommodate up to ATX-sized motherboards. It features a unique front panel design with a mesh pattern that maximizes airflow and allows for easy installation of up to three 120mm fans or two 140mm fans or two 100 for tie-in fans. The enclosure also includes a pre-installed 120mm fan and support for water cooling radiators up to 280mm in size. The H7 Flow RGB, on the other hand, is a compact mini ITX enclosure designed for high-performance gaming systems. It features a tempered glass side panel and a top-mounted 120mm fan for efficient cooling. The enclosure also includes a pre-installed 120mm fan and support for water cooling radiators up to 240mm in size. Both enclosures feature customizable RGB lighting, which can be controlled via the NZXT software. This allows users to easily customize the lighting effects and colors to match their personal style or system.